All right, today we're looking at a 2010 Honda Odyssey EXL. It's got 124,000 miles on it. It's Bally Blue Pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it does have the nice chrome trim around the windows. It's got the roof rails, sunroof. All right, it's got the automatic power sliding rear doors, and I'll show you that in just a second. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Make our way across the back of the vehicle. It does have rear backup camera. All right, it's going to be in the rear view mirror. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks pretty good here. And the only thing that I really saw that I wanted to point out to you was just a little bit of fading right through here on the hood of the vehicle. Just right in through here. Just a little fading of the paint. Not bad at all though. Okay, it is a 2010. It does have 124,000 miles on it, so that's to be expected. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The gray on gray door panels, nice metallic trim here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have your power lift gate, your power rear sliding doors, and we'll show you that in just a second. Gray leather seats. All right, power driver's seat. Just a little bit of rub right here in the seat. All right, just a little minor stuff there. Got the center console, 4 cup holders. Passenger seat looks good. Alright, no problems there. It does have the sunroof, the rear entertainment or DVD player. Alright. Does have your CD player down here. Got your power heated seat, or excuse me, heated seats down here, and your power outlets there. Alright, dual climate controls. It also has rear air, rear heat. 6-disc CD changer, AM FM radio right there. Let me go ahead and take this key out, excuse me. Alright. It's got the keyless entry key fob. Okay. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 124,159 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, there's your radio display. Let me go ahead and shut the sunroof, knock that glare down. There we go. Alright. Let me go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, the backup camera is going to be up here in the rear view mirror. All right, showed you the radio already. It's got the 6-disc CD changer. All right, got your dual climate controls with rear air and rear heat. And then once again, your heated seats down there with your CD player. Hey, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Does have 124,000 miles on it. All right, but it's under a dealer warranty. There's going to be a month of warranty, or 30 days. Let's see, it's 30 days or 1,000 miles. Okay, and let me show you this. It's got the dual rear power sliding doors. All you do is hit these buttons right here. Doors slide open, nice and smooth. It's got the second row gray leather. Everything looks really good here. All right, it's got the third row seats. Third row leather looks good. No problems at all there. All right. Go ahead and give you a shot of the DVD player here. All right. Driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Convenient power outlet here. All right, carpet's in good shape. Everything looks good. Plenty of room back here. All right, now this third row seat will fold down, and then the whole thing will go down in here, level it out back here. Plenty of space. Got the power lift gate. Simply hit that there. Nice and smooth coming down. All right, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, 16-inch alloys. All right. Tires are in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them there. All right, once again, 2010 Honda Odyssey EXL with the rear entertainment system, 124,000 miles on it. This thing's in really good shape for a 2010 with that many miles. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.